In this video, I will show you how the Magic Eraser function will work in latest Google Pixel 8 series phone. So I selected the photo from gallery and gone to the edit photo, where I'm selecting the objects which I want to remove from the photo. So you can do the clear selection of individual objects which you need to remove. So here you can see I have selected two persons and the luggage bag, so which I want to remove from the photo screen. So it will process now, and after that you can see now these objects are removed from the photo. If there is any further left out objects are there, that you can remove it in second round. Then you can save it. So it will give 3 to 4 photo options, edited options. So whichever is in your favor, that you can save it. You can save the copy of that image. So here the second round edit I am doing here to remove the trolley handle which was still visible on the photo. Now it is removed and you can see the final photo. The complete objects are removed. This is the second case where the right side there is one person standing. So I'm selecting that object and trying to erase that from the photo and saving it. So erasing is process. Yes, erasing is done. It's a very good feature, works perfectly. If you like this video, please hit the like button. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel.